We're recording? Everything good?
Yes, looking good.
Okay. And we are live. Hello and welcome everybody to the If Only podcast, aka Indian Football Podcast. My name is Romit and I'm here joined with Charan and Omar. Hello everyone.
What's up? What's up,
What's
guys?
up, man? Hello everyone. In this podcast, we're trying to become fans of the ICL, ISL. Shit. Fucked it up already.
Indian Cricket League.
In this podcast, we're trying to become fans of the ISL, the Indian Super League. It's the highest level of club football in India. None of us have truly ever watched a proper game, but we really want to get into it this season because, what else is there to do?
Perfect.
Charan and Omar are going to help me figure out the league here. Who are the best teams, who are the best players, the best managers. I just learned today the ISL has been existing since 2014, so it's already been like 6 years. But the 2021 season has just started, and it's just finished its first match week today. So we thought this would be the perfect time to get into it. So why not just start from here? The way this will work is what we're going to do is review highlights and discuss all the games that are played every match week. So match week consists of 5 games, and we'll really get into the analysis of it from a very basic fan level knowledge of football. So we're just gonna fucking rip them apart if they make a mistake. We'll just see who are the cool players that are playing. If Ryan Giggs is still managing one of the clubs in India, but I think he's going to jail for assault. So I don't know.
Definitely not happening.
Yeah, dude. By the way, he is.
Yeah,
what's happening with him,
kind
man?
of like
Really, like losing his legendary status.
Yeah, it's kind of I can't really I don't see him the same way at all anymore.
Every news article we read of him, oh my god, I feel like
I mean, it was already pretty bad with
yeah
and all that. It was already just pretty beyond messed up. But now it's just like, dude, you're actually a bad guy.
Yeah, he's a pretty bad guy, especially to women. Okay, anyway, back to ISL. We'll look through all the fixture lists for next week, as well as make our predictions. What we'll do is with the predictions, we'll try to make a game of it as well, see who has the highest number of points at the end of each match week. And in the final weeks, we'll see who is ahead. There are a total of 11 match weeks. So we'll have a total of 11 episodes to start with at least. And then we'll see where we can go from there. The goal will be for this game to get as many points at the end of game week 11, and the highest point winner can get a prize amongst 3 of us, maybe a jersey from their favorite team.
Wait, I completely blanked out on all of this. How do we get points?
So we make predictions. So the 5 predictions, whoever gets right gets a point, and the highest number of points in the end of game week 11, they get the winner's medal. And the winner's prize is a jersey of their favorite jersey.
Dude, what if there's
how will we keep ourselves accountable, and who's going to make sure that we're not? How do you know that I haven't looked at the scores before I've come here?
No, we're making predictions for today for next week. So next week we'll.
Yeah, fucking already trying to game the system.
There's so many loopholes. There's no loopholes, Omar. Okay. So we'll figure it out next week, whoever got whatever points, and we'll tally up the points there. I'll keep a record, don't worry. Right. So now we all know what we're doing here.
Yes.
You know, I know. Hopefully people listening to us know. Yeah. Hopefully there are people listening to us, if they are. Anyway. Boys. Bhai log. What do we know about the Indian Super League?
Omar?
I don't really know anything about this. I didn't even know it was called the Indian Super League. I thought S stood for soccer.
No. Yeah.
I had no idea. It wouldn't make sense to call it soccer, I guess, but I didn't really think of the word super. I don't know anything about it. I did know that Ryan Giggs was somehow associated with it at some point. To be honest, I don't even know what team he was managing or playing. I don't even know what he did. Did he manage or play? Like, who knows?
I think he was a player coach. But these are just guesses here right now.
Yeah, wait, he actually played for a team?
I think he did.
That's pretty cool.
I think he did.
Yeah, he has the Wikipedia page open, which I looked at before this. But dude, Robbie Fowler is a coach
Robbie
for
Fowler.
one of the teams. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.
Dude,
Maybe
it's
Omar, we
it's
have
a-
it wrong. I think
yeah.
he was part of the futsal league rather than the Indian Super League. But what there was before the ISL though, I remember my dad talking about this. He was a big soccer football fan in Bengal. Um, East Bengal and Mohan Bagan. I remember these
Yeah.
two guys being like the prime of football back in the 70s or the 80s, where like they used to have like packed stadiums of 120,000 people at
Dude,
I think
yeah, man,
Eden
it's-
Garden in Calcutta.
Yeah,
So
it's
that's crazy. That's bigger than that's what like Wembley's 90,000. So that's bigger than any club football that Europe has experienced. Maybe American football has more people in some of their stadiums, but
Maybe.
120,000 in India, that's not bad.
What was that league called? What was the actual Indian
I think it
football?
was called I League, Indian League.
So is that league now defunct, or does it still exist?
So that's what's surprising. So I saw while I was looking at the teams here, so the teams here, I see Mohan Bagan now part of the ISL and East Bengal right here.
Are they
Out
the
of the
actual
ISL
Mohan
well.
Bagan and East Bengal? Or?
Yeah, they have the names. Remember Atletico Madrid bought a
I was
team
just
in
gonna say, I
yeah.
was just
So
gonna say,
Atletico
dude.
Madrid
Yeah.
bought a team in India, and
Yeah.
I think they defunct the Atletico Kolkata thing and merged with Mohan Bagan.
Hmm.
I think that's what the ATK stands for in Atletico.
Atletico.
Should we all just pick one team and like dedicate our lives to
I
that?
was gonna ask you guys. Eventually, I was gonna ask, hey, we're out of which teams, what you think you're gonna just support?
Kerala Blasters.
Kerala Blasters.
Yeah.
All right, you got Kerala Blasters then.
Can
Any
I see the
turn?
teams again?
But yeah, before I get there, I was gonna say I think it initially started with 8 teams, the original 8. I think it was Delhi Dynamos, Bangalore Titans, Atletico de Kolkata, Goa, Kerala Blasters, Mumbai City, Northeast United, and Pune.
Yeah.
Delhi
Yo,
Dynamo.
I'm gonna go for
I won't-
Northeast United.
I want to know where Northeast plays. One second. Northeast United plays.
Probably
they're
the
from Assam,
Northeast.
Guwahati. Dude, they had the capacities.
Oh wow.
Atletico, they play in Salt Lake Stadium now,
Salt Lake Stadium. Wow.
and 65,000. They joined in 2020, so they joined for the first time this year. Even East Bengal. So both these teams from that previous league joined ISL this year. And Robbie Fowler, he's the coach of East Bengal, man.
That's crazy.
Yo,
So are they the
Baichung
team to watch?
Bhutia. Remember him?
Yeah.
of course. Where's that team?
He used to play for East Bengal.
Ah.
So
I wonder what he's
he's the top scorer there.
I remember when Baichung Bhutia got into like the English, what is it, 3rd division or something, Bury FC. Do you guys remember that?
Oh yeah.
Bury FC. It was a long time ago. It was in like 2000. Was it in 2000?
I don't
It was in 2000.
I think it was when we still lived in Dubai.
That's crazy.
1999. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go through the teams. So Charan can pick one. Charan and I can pick one. So
Northeast.
there's Chennai, there's Mohun Bagan, there's Hyderabad. You're going with Northeast?
Northeast United.
It seems like they picked up some points this week. Bangalore, Goa, East Bengal, Jamshedpur, Kerala Blasters, Mumbai, Odisha. Odisha is Orissa, right? Odisha FC.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go with Goa, man.
Do it.
I feel like there'll be some good Portuguese influence there.
Yeah.
I'm picking Kerala mainly because I have a lot of friends from Kerala. That's it.
And the
Kerala
name.
Blasters.
And the name Blasters is pretty
Yeah.
badass.
But I've lived in Bangalore, so should I just go with Bangalore? But I'm from Calcutta, so should I go for East Bengal?
I have so many roots.
You know what? I'll go with East Bengal. Fuck it.
All
East
right.
Bengal. My dad used to support them. I'll support them.
Gio, honestly, I kind of want to see what the like play style is. Is it like are there any like defining characteristics to it, or is it just complete randomness? You know what I mean? Like,
That would be interesting to see. Like, what is the
yeah. What is
the best team in the ISL? Like, what is their play style?
Yeah.
That should be interesting. Is like if India through this format, even though it's club format, that's how like at least it spreads in the grassroots, right? And some good coach can come out of it with some crazy ideas and come up with their own Indian version style of football. Like, it's like some not tiki taka or not like British football of like just
it'll be like some Lagan shit, dude.
I also wanted to add that a little bit of background about us. Like we three of us are from are from India, but have moved out of the India and like at a really young age. We grew up in Middle East, and then and Omar never lived there, but you're connected through your parents now that they live there now, and we are actually based in Canada right now, and to watch these games live, it's pretty early in the morning for us, but we will slowly try to see as we go along if we can get into the games and start watching it live rather than just watch the highlights.
Honestly, if this leads me to actually wanting to wake up and follow games, I would call that a win. That would be sick. I'd be like,
we start getting like cool favorite players in each team and stuff. We'd start following them, and it'll be cool if.
I thought you were going to say if this leads me to a career in commentary.
Well, personally, that's my goal, right? Like at the moment, I'm doing a whole like career switch to a media broadcasting thing, and that's what I'm going to school for. And one of the main reasons I wanted to do this was to like put it to practice what I'm learning and stuff. So it'll be cool if this leads somewhere, or even not. Like it'll be cool just to have a discussion, just like chat with you guys. We don't do that anymore.
Yeah, man.
So like just have a beer and talk about football and stuff. So that'll be great.
Like more than anything, at least we get to like meet up every fucking week or some shit.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be like pre-pandemic drinking where it starts out like this and at the end we're all screaming at each other.
And that's what I want to. I want to get to a level where we like can start making like a little bit of informed analysis, so we actually know the fucking league. We actually know the players, who's good, who's bad, and which managers. Especially, I want to compare like managerial play styles, see if we can find that through player highlights, but I doubt it. To see football grow in India would be one of the best things. And like since for the longest time, I've kept hearing like, oh, we have 1 billion people. Why can't we field like 11 fucking players for a World Cup? And so eventually, if India can come up with a World Cup team, that would be the best, man. That would be the freaking. Then finally we have an international team to support. That would be great, and that's when I feel like our podcast will really shine. Anyway, let's get on with the first game of the week, which is Kerala Blasters versus Mohun Bagan. And here we go.
Okay, game is off to a normal start.
I feel like for Mohun Bagan, there's a player called Krishna. He's really good.
Okay.
I've heard good things about him.
Oh, you know what's interesting? Do you guys see at the back there Byju's?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Apparently they're a bunch of bastards.
Yeah, I know. I've heard like a lot of things.
Why?
What is with like all these weird educational platforms being like bastards? Like, what is that?
What is Byju's?
It's like an education tech company.
And why are they bad?
I don't know. I don't really know why. I think it's like
that's perfect. Yeah.
I think they use like really predatory like sales tactics, and their product isn't actually that good for like a young child.
Krishna, Krishna. He has a good shot in him, man. Maybe I'll support Mohun Bagan.
Krishna.
He's already flip-flopped.
I haven't decided yet. I'm going to decide after 2 match weeks.
Oh, what the hell? There have been so many corners, man. Like, what the hell?
There have been a lot of corners. I thought about that as well.
You know, one thing I would like to watch is their ball movement. I remember watching a game like long time ago, where all the ball movement was through the air. Like they would just make lob passes to each other. Yeah. Maybe because the field was bad, I don't know. But their pass on the ground was terrible.
Yeah, it's going to be hard to see that kind of stuff.
Like, look at that touch over there. Like that touch took the ball so far.
Dude, look at this, man. There's been like all set pieces as the highlights. Like, what is going on? Like, where's the open play through ball shit.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, there we go. Come on.
Kerala Blasters, man. They seem like a good team. Ooh,
Oh,
score
please.
it.
Oh my God.
Oh
Come
my.
on, dude.
Who
That
are
was
you? What's your
bad.
name? I'll remember you. Oh my
That
God.
was
I
bad.
feel like you've got to be bold and just take that.
Yeah, that was bad. He should have scored that. He's going to rue that miss.
This is probably the goal, I'm going to say.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh.
Oh, shit. Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Krishna.
21, Krishna.
Very opportunistic. He came in.
Yo, lots of attacking moments, man.
Yeah, there's it's
Yeah.
actually like a pretty decent game from the highlights.
Yeah, from the highlights.
Yeah.
Bad
Oh,
shots.
this
but
guy.
like,
Who is this
yeah,
guy?
This
This
guy, man.
guy needs
What's
to
his number?
stop,
What's his
man.
number? 10. Number 10.
Dude, come on. Look at, he sliced that so bad.
Yeah,
Come
that was
on.
bad. Come on, man. Foot over the ball, mate.
No, man.
Wow.
These guys are skying the ball like, what the fuck? Keep it low.
It's a first. We have to remember this is the first game of the season, so
Yeah, and we have no
some bad
idea.
shots allowed.
We have no idea who's like a good team and not a good team. So,
But they're really scuffing their shots.
all right.
All right, that takes care of game number 1. 1-0, first
But
game.
even like the attacking is not like,
It wasn't
Yeah,
good,
there were
but
a few chances, but they scuffed it. Yeah.
yeah, they
Kerala
were,
caught in front of the goal, but like, man, the finishing was bad.
yeah.
Next one, I think the game is Northeast United FC versus Mumbai City FC.
Okay, sloppy start, sloppy
That
start.
guy. Hey, they're sponsored by Etihad, Mumbai FC.
Yeah,
There
I
was a
just saw that.
deflection.
That was a red
Oh,
card.
that was
That's a
bad.
red card.
What the
Red
fuck
card.
was that, bro?
What the fuck? That
Get
was a
out of
horrible
here.
tackle.
Yeah. Oh shit, man. They got like they're playing with 10 men. That's probably why they lost.
Yeah, but like, what a shit tackle.
Yeah.
Like, ball was going away from him, and he's fucking doing this.
So, yeah, that's a
Oh, studs on his
Oh,
Achilles. Oh,
You can't even.
yeah.
Oh,
Good ref.
28
Oh,
degrees.
dude, come on, man. Like I feel like they're all taking either ridiculously hard shots or just shooting from outside the box. Like try to get in the box. I hope this changes in some of the other games that we see. That's good.
I feel
Yeah.
like because their touch is bad, I feel like they're resorting to shots from the outside. If they try to play through the middle, they'll like lose the ball.
Yeah, it's possible.
Oh, that's a
Oh,
penalty.
handball. Do
That's
they
a
have
penalty.
VAR? Do they have VAR in this?
Oh, good question. Probably
ISL?
not.
They should.
Dude, cricket, the VAR system in cricket is so advanced. I don't know why they don't have that like in football. Like, why is it so
shit.
lagging?
Oh, so they actually did get a penalty for that.
Yeah, they did. They did.
Wow. Okay.
That was a well taken penalty too.
Appaya. Oh, solid name.
See, look at that touch. Oh my
Oh, come
god.
on.
That touch should have been way better.
Man, Mumbai.
Oh,
They're playing well. They're
They're
like
playing very aggressively for 10-player team, 10-man team.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
That was good, man.
Jesus.
that was a good
That was
turn.
good.
Very
That was
good turn.
Really brilliant turn.
Took it on his right and then shoot through his left.
Yeah, that was amazing.
That was
Phenomenal.
awesome.
That was great. The bad defending though. By United East.
Yeah, man.
Northeast
There's like
United.
3 people around him. Yeah.
Fuck. If it went through that guy's legs, it was gone.
Yeah.
Goa and Bangalore. Let's just go with this.
Goals galore.
They were both like pretty opportunistic. You know, it wasn't like an intentional play that they made to go.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
good header.
Clinton. What's his name?
Oh, the Nani turn.
Nice. Nice.
That was good.
Oh, that was a good play, man. I like that back heel there. That's sweet. Ooh, yeah.
Bangalore.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Oh, oh my God, completely
Come on. Yo, that's Sunil Chetri. Is that him?
That was
with the
Sunil-
man bun. Was that Sunil?
Yeah,
No.
yeah. That's the guy they were focusing on. Yeah,
Sunil Chetri must be so old now.
yeah. Seriously.
See, that's why we should have checked the squads.
Yeah, the one time he didn't.
Sunil Chetri, yeah, he plays for Bangalore. Damn. I guess he's not that old. He's 36. But I mean, like, he's old for football.
He's
he
very
played-
Come on,
underrated.
score that. Lovely. That was
played,
good.
See that one tall guy. I think he scored
Sick.
both the goals, right?
Dude, Goa came back from 2 goals down. That's pretty sweet.
I'm
man.
excited to watch this comeback. That was a
That
lovely
was an oh my god, killing it. Oh shit.
That
was good.
That's so disappointing. But that was a really
That was
beautiful.
good. Dude, this
What's
must
his
have been a
number?
good
What's the
game.
guy's number?
I don't know. Let's see. Oh yes!
What a
Finally
good
through
goal.
ball.
Good
Yeah.
through ball. Nice.
That was the
Lovely.
best. That was the player.
That
of the
was
week.
the yeah, seriously. That was good. I
Play
really
of
liked
the week. Number 5 to number
it.
17.
That was nice,
Nice.
quick, one touch, brilliant.
Amazing. Nice.
Dude, Goa's good, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Oh shit.
Yo, it's 68
Dude.
minute. I think in 4 minutes they scored 2 goals.
Yeah.
What a response. And their goals
Good
are
through
good.
balls.
They
Yeah.
look like
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
like-
like something they've been practicing.
Yeah.
Just stomached it in, dude. Wow, I like the aggression. I'm gonna go back to Goa. I think I'm gonna support Goa.
You've gone 3 teams.
Yeah.
There's only 11 fucking
I'm
teams.
still choosing. I'm still in the process of choosing which team I would want
There's
to
fucking
support.
11 teams. We picked 1 each, and you picked 3. That means you've gone through 5 teams already.
I'm a little indecisive, man. I'll figure it out.
That was a good game, man.
That was the best game so far.
That
Yeah.
was an easy game.
Yeah.
Odisha FC and Hyderabad FC. I guess a lot of things happened in this one.
I like their jerseys, man.
The yellow kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
like
got like a
Dortmund
vibe going
vibes.
on.
Yeah.
Oh, I like theirs too, man.
Yeah, the Odisha is pretty awesome. Wow, I love
Yeah.
that at the bottom.
I really like it. Oh, this guy looks like a badass. The captain.
Does he look like a badass or he's got a badass?
I think he looks like, dude, he's getting fuck shit up. He looks like a tank, dude. Look at him. Compared to all the other players, he looks so big.
That's true. He's got a white chest.
Something fell.
Uh-oh.
The ball looks like it's a strange one. Right? It looks like the Javlani ball. Like
yeah.
Funny.
God, we were like so obsessed with that ball, man.
I didn't like it. It was so heavy.
No,
I
don't
just
be
a-
happy for your delicate touch.
My delicate. My free kicks would never work.
You think this is it? Ooh, give it back. Yes, brilliant. Come on.
Oh, come on.
Penalty.
Penalty?
Oh
it?
no, the captain got a penalty. Oh, my tank.
Your badass is just.
Yo, that is
My-
not a penalty, man.
No,
What
man,
the
that's
hell?
a definition of a penalty. His hand is stretched out.
in an unnatural position.
Yeah.
Yo, but he's like sliding. How do you slide like this?
Okay. Let
What the
me go
fuck?
back to it, dude. Look at him. Oh,
Yeah,
wait,
look at him. Wait.
where did it go?
Imagine yourself sliding. Okay, how else would you slide here?
Look, he completely stretched it out to stop the ball, though.
Actually, his arm, like I don't know,
Leave-
like, it looks like he put his arm out before he even went down.
Look at it. Look at that.
You have to like cushion his fall, man.
I guess, but I mean, like
I don't know. I
ball was-
think
that
it
was a
seemed
good-
intentional.
Fine.
I mean, it definitely interfered with the play completely.
Yeah, that's true, I guess.
He got lucky there.
This guy did score from a penalty, but
Ooh.
Ah, man, these shots from outside the box are really fucking.
That wasn't a bad. That wasn't a bad one though.
That was a good shot, but like,
yeah,
Yeah.
if the rest of the game is going to be like this, like, come on.
yeah.
I wonder if they're using like extreme like defensive tactics, so like they have to shoot from outside.
Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, damn, that was good. Man, they're eating
Dude,
them up,
Hyderabad
man.
seems like
yeah,
the better team of the two. Definitely.
yeah, definitely. Like, where have they even had anything in the second half? Odisha.
Oh, by the way, Bruno's goal today like that.
Oof,
Oh,
that was
oh,
it was insane.
that's very Scholes like. I was
That was
impressed.
really,
I clapped. I clapped for like good 30 seconds.
Nice.
Hyderabad. I could see
Hey,
myself supporting them.
stop it.
I could see myself supporting Hyderabad.
Maybe this will just be your gimmick, man. Every week, you basically by the end of it, you just don't find a team.
Yo, that guy is my favorite player, Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan.
Shut up, Jackie Chand. I thought you were being racist for a second, but
Dude,
no.
seriously, what the fuck?
Jackie Chand.
Okay. And
Yeah.
Chennai.
I never thought Jamshedpur would have a football team.
I know, right? That's pretty random.
All I've heard is it's industrial town.
Oh, that was a good
that was
ball.
good.
Wow, that was
Hey,
a
yo, he scored.
No!
Yo, fuck, amazing.
Should we go back? Should we
Nice.
see that again?
Though they'll show the that fucking.
They'll show the replay.
But real? Yeah. Wow, that's a good
That
goal.
was sick.
That was
That was
really
a
good.
good goal.
That was a good goal.
It
And he
looks
did a
crazy.
Fortnite dance, guys. He did a
Yeah.
Fortnite freaking dance. Emote. Do you think they're watching it live? They're watching it live, right?
Yeah. It's like similar to the NBA, you know, how they did that.
It's
shit.
not like pre-recorded and someone's just cheering something.
Like you're telling me they just stared at a blank screen for 9
yeah.
No, not for 90 minutes.
Run,
but like,
run. Oh, yeah.
oh, that was a bad
Oh
finish.
Oh my God, come on, dude. Come on, he did all the fucking hard work. He didn't even give it to the other guy.
Oh, he just saved that.
But Chennai is playing well.
Chennai is
Oh,
white,
foul,
right? Yeah.
foul. That's a foul. That's a
I think
foul.
there was a handball.
Do you think
I
he
thought-
scores?
Yeah,
Oh,
he'll
he
score.
scores. Yeah.
Good penalty.
Oh, keeper is not impressed.
You think this is Jamshedpur's goal? This is it.
Oh, that's a beautiful ball.
Wow, that was a really lovely goal.
That was awesome,
Chennai too.
Fuck, this is only the first half, man.
man. Jeez.
Guys, Chennai is red. Oh no, the Jamshedpur's first goal. Yeah.
That jerseys are sweet.
That jersey is pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Oof.
Oh no! What?
What is he
Oh.
doing?
Oh
What the
my god.
That was a Kappa level fuck up, dude.
Yeah.
That was
What is he
Oh my
doing
God.
there?
That is-
so... But the defense
got-
also.
the defender just stood there like
Yeah,
a fucking-
he just stood there like an idiot, like clear the ball.
like he should have fucking committed and just gone for it.
He's good.
Good.
Who's this? 24.
Ooh, nice.
Oh no, he passed. Good try.
That was
Oh.
man. Chennai has a good front line.
Yeah.
Chennai has a good front line.
No, I think they deserve.
Oh,
to
what a
win.
ball.
Chennai-
Take it.
Oh,
Take it all the way.
Come on.
Oh no, pass it.
Okay, I
Score
mean,
it.
Not fast enough. Not fast enough.
No.
fuck off. That's so
Ah.
frustrating. That is so frustrating.
That's close.
Chennai is pretty good though, man. I mean, like
Yeah.
their front line. Defensively, sometimes they fuck up a little bit.
All right. I think that was the last game. Goa drew their first game with Bangalore, and Mumbai lost, I think. Yeah, they are the ones who got that red card against Northeast United. What do you guys think?
I think Goa will beat Mumbai.
Goa did definitely look good.
Yeah, I think Goa will beat Mumbai.
See, the game is at 9 a.m. tomorrow. That's Wednesday. And then Thursday 9 a.m., Friday 9 a.m., and Saturday there's one game. Then Sunday there are two games. The Sunday one is at 6:30 a.m. and then match week 3 starts the same day in like 9 a.m. And then it
Good.
seems like it continues on till match week 11. I believe I don't know if there is a a playoff format. Do you think after
There
the
is,
league,
there is,
there's like
yeah.
they play each other
There
semifinals,
is.
finals?
I think the top 4 qualify for playoffs. That's what I read somewhere.
11th of Jan
Jan.
is the last league game, and I think playoffs start after that. Hopefully,
Mhm.
that'll be fun. Actually, capturing the playoffs. I don't think we get to see that in football, man. Like apart from MLS,
Yeah.
like we don't check that out. But like there isn't a format like that in football.
Yeah.
Okay, Goa versus Mumbai. What are your predictions, guys?
Goa
What do you think? Score
2-0.
2-0 to Goa. Char
I'm going to say Goa, but 1-0 to Goa.
1-0 Goa. I think it'll be a draw, man. I think Mumbai is a good team, but I think they just lost because of the red card. So I think it'll be like a 2-2 draw again. What about Kerala versus Northeast United? Charan, your team.
Oh,
You
it's
go
a
first.
rival game.
Yeah, wait, fuck you, you bastard.
Fuck you.
Name me the best
Oh.
player of Kerala, Omar.
Nikhil.
Nick. What do you think the score is?
I think Northeast wins this.
Northeast wins this.
Yeah.
Whoa. How much?
I'm going to say 2-0 again.
2-0 again. Yeah. Anything can happen. Charan?
I'm going to go with a draw. 1-1 draw.
Man, I think Kerala takes this, man. I think I'm going to go with like 3-0 Kerala.
Whoa. Okay.
I'm going to be a little bold here.
Mhm.
Oh, dude, this is my game, man. East Bengal versus Mohun Bagan. I'm going to go with... I feel like East Bengal is their first game. They'll be a little... Actually, no. Mohun Bagan to win it. Mohun Bagan to win it. 2-0. East Bengal has their first game. It'll be like a preseason game. They won't be up for it. They won't be match fit. I think Mohun Bagan would
I'm
take
going to
it.
say it's a 1-1 draw.
1-1 draw.
I'm going to say it's 3-1 to Mohun Bagan.
You're just making up numbers, huh?
Just have to be confident when you
But
say
you know,
it.
but this will be good. This will like track our progression, you know, like now we don't know anybody this week, but maybe after week 5 we'll know somebody. We'll know few people and we'll know few more things about them. And our predictions might just become better and more sophisticated. So it might be good. Let's see.
Where if
Predictions
we try
improve.
to watch this somehow, like I can't actually watch games at 9 a.m., but on Tuesdays I can. So
I'm sure there is like online streams you can find, but they are showing it if you can get hold of ESPN Plus. I think they're showing it in North America through ESPN Plus.
okay,
Bangalore, Hyderabad, guys.
man,
Charan,
Hyderabad,
I'm surprised you didn't choose Bangalore.
Yeah, just seemed like the obvious choice and all that. Wanted to be
Right.
a little different, you know?
Hyderabad was good, man. Hyderabad was like they played well. It seemed.
Yeah.
They're the ones who played Odisha. Yeah, they're the ones who played Odisha. Yeah, they were good.
But Bangalore was good too against Goa.
I'm going to go with
Bangalore
for this one.
they scored 2 quick goals. No. Goa scored 2 quick goals as a comeback, right? Yeah. Bangalore was good. I feel like Bangalore was a little better than Hyderabad. I'm gonna go with 1-0 Bangalore.
I'll say 2-1 Bangalore.
2-1 Bangalore.
Yeah, I was going to say 2-1 Bangalore.
All right. So all of us have Bangalore to win in this one. Jamshedpur, they lost their first game, and Odisha, they both lost their first game. What do you guys think?
0-0.
I feel like Odisha has that badass dude. I feel like he'll score. He'll score like a header. The badass dude gave away the handball.
That was Mumbai, man.
No.
That was Odisha, yeah.
That was Odisha. Yeah. I feel like he'll have an arc of redemption. He'll score from the corner or something.
Okay.
1-0 Odisha.
I'm going to say 1-1. It's going to be a draw.
So none of us are predicting like high scoring games, huh? Okay.
I mean, didn't see any indication that.
Yeah, absolutely no indication from any of the strikers.
I'm to be honest,
and we did watch the highlights.
I'm like pretty excited about Chennai.
Chennai?
I think Chennai is the most exciting out of all of them.
So you're already switching your allegiance, dude. You
I'm not
can't
switching.
support.
I'm still a Kerala Blasters supporter. Always have been, always will be. But like, I like Chennai.
Why?
It's just that these are very uninformed decisions.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, completely. Like we
So-
have not done any research. We have not watched a single
even-
game.
Yeah. Watching the highlights is teaching us very little, but
yeah.
But this is a start. Like this is how we get in, right? You start watching the. Like I remember getting into the Premier League with like just watching one clip of Beckham scoring from halfway line. So
Yeah,
that's what hooked me on. So maybe we'll see one moment that will just hook us in, and then we might not like become hardcore fans instantly, but we'll start following. Maybe keep track of the scores. You'll keep track of like who's up the table, what standings and stuff like that. So maybe let's see. Maybe eventually maybe this pandemic will lead us to become like super fans of the ISL, of Indian Super League.
that'll be pretty
Yeah.
cool.
So the big takeaway here is that these are very uninformed decisions. If you have nothing, if you're like us and have nothing better to do, then you should listen to this and hopefully watch us grow into ISL experts. So stay tuned.
I'm just gonna stop the recording, but signing
Yeah.
off.
Okay, bye.
See ya. Bye bye. Can I stop the recording? How do I stop?